Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to add a category within Exam 1 for your SLO for a year-long class. So the first thing we need to do is we need to log on to Infinite Campus. Once you've logged in, it's going to bring you to the main page that looks like this. Over here on the left of the page, you're going to click on Gradebook. Gradebook's going to pop open. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to click over here on Settings. Within Settings, that window is going to open up and it's going to give us some other options. One of the options is Categories, so we're going to click on Categories. We're going to get a pop-up window and we're going to add a category. I'm going to title the category SLO. I'm not going to weight it because that weight is going to be a part of Exam 1, which is 10% of the student's overall grade. So I'm going to check all the sections I want to put that in. I need to scroll down where it says Grading Task, and I'm going to check Exam 1. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save. And then now in my category list, I now have the SLO within it. The next thing we need to do is we need to add 2 assignments within our SLO category. We need to add our SLO pre-test and we need to add our SLO post-test. You can do that one of 2 ways. The first way is within the settings window, you can click on assignment list and then you can add the assignment. An easier way to do that is to click up here and click add. And then we're going to title the assignment. So I'm going to do SLO pre-test. I'm going to abbreviate that pre. I'm going to come down in the sections and I'm going to check all the sections I like that in. Now this is our pre-test, so we don't want it to count against the students. We just want to use it for data collection, so when we're putting in our growth targets for our growth plan, we have those and we can export those easily. So I'm going to uncheck the active button, then I'm going to uncheck the campus portal button. What that does is it makes it inactive. You can put the score in and the score is not visible to the students or their parents. Once I've unchecked those, I'm going to click on Exam 1. This particular assessment is worth 40 points. Yours may vary. I'm going to click Save. Alright, now I've created that assignment. I'm going to hit Close. Now I'm going to add another assignment. Now I'm going to add my SLO post-test. Now I'm going to check all the sections I want. This time I'm going to leave active and portal, campus portal viewable there so that they can see those, and this will count the scores. So I'm then going to go to April of 2015 and I'm just going to make the due date the 17th. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to click Exam, I'm going to put in 40 points, and then I'm going to click Save. So now if I go back to my assignment list, I should have 2 assignments, one marked SLO pre-test, one marked SLO post-test, one that is not active, one that is active. Now when you want to go and put these within the gradebook, one of the things I found out is that you have to, over here on the term, you must select at least quarter 2 in order for the task to show up. So we'll click on Exam 1. Now if we look over here, here's my category for Exam 1 is SLOs. This is out of 40 points. Here's my pre, here's my post. You'll notice that this one has an asterisk on it right here in the top left corner. That's because it's inactive. So I would just go ahead and enter my grades in here for my pre-test and then click Save when you're finished. So this is how you add the SLO category and the pre and post tests for a year-long class. If you have